All right, folks, the Monaco is leaving us. It's gonna be a donor car. It's got a good trunk in it, good trunk pan and good floors. He's gonna cut this stuff out and use it as a donor car for this one. He's buying both cars. This one here needs a trunk work and it needs some floor work. So this one, that's the one he wants to keep and restore. So this one here was going to be the parts car for it. So one's going to die to save another one. All right, there goes the Monaco. I got that car ahead. The motor had already been pulled out of it, transmission. It didn't even have a rear end in it. I had to put a rear end in it just to get the thing off the damn trailer. And so it's got a rear end out of a Fury. And you know, I did sell the seat side of it. A lot of the interior stuff had already been taken out of it. So there wasn't a whole lot to it. The body, the quarters, and the fenders got a lot of rust on it. It don't look like it, but it's been painted over, bondoed over, that kind of stuff. But the floors were, other than the right front, the floors look really good. So he's going to cut those out and use it to get this Polara going. All right, the 68 Polara is coming on. Bumping into the bumper. He don't want to damage the bumper, and the bumper's hitting the trailer. So he wants to be real careful. He wants to restore this car. We know the windshield from the four-door won't work in this because this is a sedan. And unfortunately, I already sold the windshield out of this car. I debated parting this car out or not. I've got like 9 projects. Well, I guess I'm down to 5 now. But, you know, it's just one of me. But ended up reluctantly parting this car out. And then at the last minute, I decided I was not going to part it out. And then once the word got out I wasn't going to part it out, I got this offer made on the car. And that's why I sold it. So, and he's going, like I said, he's going to fix it. So it's just a little spot of rust right here. This quarter panel here looks good. The quarter panel on the other side's got a little bit of rust in the wheel well. This gentleman right here in the orange, he's a damn good body man. I've seen his work. He does outstanding work. He used to run a restoration shop years ago. I got to know him. So that's where we're at, folks.
Okay, hang on a second, hang on. We only got one shot here. We gotta get it pretty straight. Nice size. That's good. Oh yeah, go a little more. Oh, straighten it. Try that.
Now it doesn't have a motor and transmission in it, so it's okay to load them backwards. I've done it many times. Just get it balanced on the trailer correctly, and it'll drive just fine down the highway at highway speeds. If it had a motor and transmission in it, it would be difficult, very difficult to get it on the trailer. You couldn't probably do it. It would bob weight on you. So he's good. It's balanced out. He's got parts in the middle of the car that he's also buying, so it'll be fine like it is. We've done this many times. I'm gonna turn you loose for right now, folks. There she goes, folks. And I got more news. We have made a deal on another car that I've got. So he's gonna get 3, and he's also buying a bunch of parts. So there she goes. Okay, folks, this is car number 3. The Fury Custom Suburban Wagon is going. Now the reason he's buying this one
Back the other way.
is it's got the big block engine in it, 727, and he needs that for drag car, hot rod, street strip drag car he's working on. This car, if you look at the doors and the bottom, it is incredibly rusted out. It's rusted out all around the A-pillars. Inside the car, I had to take some dash parts out and had a hell of a time taking the stuff. All the bolts and screws were so rusted, there was no heads left on them. So even though the quarter back here looks halfway decent, inside the car is a train wreck. You see the headliner hanging down. It was too far gone to restore. There was no title, no keys, none of that kind of stuff when I got the car. I think he gets his motor and transmission out. I think he's got cruise control. He's gonna pull the cruise control out of it. It's got 8 3/4 in. And with Bennett was a big block car. It may have a sure grip, we're not sure. But as far as what he's going to do with the car, I think he's finished stripping it out. It's too rusty to be a derby car, so it won't be derby. It'll probably get crushed. I hate to say it. He may sell the lower quarters off of it, maybe the tailgate out of it. It's got the power tailgate, and the tailgate actually is good. It's like the car rusted from the cab forward, and then I guess from the back doors forward. And very unfortunate, but I'll try to get you in here. Get you a look at some of the rust that's in the.
Yeah, it's gotta go your way, son.
Yeah, you definitely got a cattywampus.
Yeah. It works better when she was turning the steering wheel.
Yeah, but I can't get the door open
Yeah.
to turn it.
Yeah, let me turn y'all. I'm going to have to help him push this car, folks. Okay, this is what I was talking about, folks. See all up in here, and all down in through here. It's just all up in the dash. And it's just 8 slam up, folks. There's no way to save this car in a practical manner. So he made me an offer on the car, a real good offer, so I had to let it go. And trust me, there's going to be some parts going to save other cars. He'll get this motor for his hot rod. And I know we may make a deal. If it's got a sure grip on it, I may buy the center section out of it. And I think he'll probably save these lower quarters. They look like they're good. And this tailgate here. So, if anybody wants that tailgate, don't play games with him now. He's not that kind of guy. If you want this tailgate, message him or message me, and we'll see if we can help you out. But got good tail lights in it. So it's a disc brake car too, by the way. It's got power disc brakes, 72 model. Those are very desirable. All right, folks, there you have it. Looks like we got a good windshield too. Been off the road since 1986. It's a 400 2-barrel big block with air, power, and cruise. And like I said, it's too rusty to derby, too rusty to restore. I sold the hideaway headlights to a guy in Canada out of it. All right, folks, y'all take care.